Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 3, that is bones and muscles. So, let's begin by discussing one by one and different parts of our skeleton. That is, the first top part is our skull. This skull is a very hard bony structure and it protects the very vital and important organ of our body, that is our brain. And this skull, the different parts of a skull are joined together. They do not move. Only the lower part of the skull moves, that is called lower jaw. This part only. And this part help us to cut and chew the food and also in talking. So this part is very important for us. The next part is rib cage. So in rib cage, if you observe that in front there is a bone called sternum and in the back side there is a bone called vertebral column or backbone. So the ribs join sternum and backbone and form a curved structure, or you can say a cage like structure, and that is called a rib cage. This rib cage protects two vital organs in our body, that is heart and two lungs. Our heart and two lungs. So rib cage is very important for us. There are 12 ribs in our body. There are 12 pairs of ribs. There are 12 pairs of ribs in our body. The lower two pair ribs doesn't join sternum. So these two pairs of ribs are called floating ribs. Now let's discuss the next part of our skeleton, that is backbone or vertebral column. So as the name suggests, vertebral column, so there is a hollow structure through which spinal cord passes, and this vertebral column protects our spinal cord. This vertebral column are formed by joining small bones. They are hollow structure. In the middle they are hollow. So and they sit over each other and form a long structure which support our body, and they produce a hollow structure among themselves, and through that spinal cord passes. So this way they protect the spinal cord. So these are the three most important skeleton structure in our body, that is skull, rib cage and vertebral column. The next part of our skeleton is our two limbs, two pairs of limbs, means our two hands and two legs. So our arms or limbs are joined with the backbone with the help of shoulder bone, and our arms help us to catch different types of things and hold different type of things to perform our functions, and they are very helpful for us. Now comes our legs. So these legs are connected with our backbone with the hip bone, with the help of hip bone, and these legs help us to walk. And in our legs there is the longest bone, that is called femur, and our legs help us to walk from one place to another place. I hope you all understand this topic well. Any problem, ask me. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you, class.